Here we are, just like, just in the same place we were in the last episode. But, I went upstairs, I took a few sticks, left a chest, took also a chest, left the few ores I collected. So I'm ready to start a relatively long mining session. So yeah, this is going to be a time lapse, just so you know that I'm digging. And yeah, in the meantime, I'm going to watch my favorite cartoon while I dig, so it's not like I'm going to say anything interesting. And yeah, you may even just skip this and get right to the part after this. Why not? Just go ahead, do it, do it. Why are you still watching here? I mean, there's no point in watching me digging. Why would you do that? Well, okay, thanks for all of you who are still here, and let's start. And yes, I have to interrupt this mining session because I just met a dweller. I noticed there was one because there was those particles, the invisibility effect particles that were here. Because the dweller is invisible until he attacks you or you attack him. So I just aimed some random hits and I managed to hit it. I'm pretty satisfied with that. Okay, apparently I'm in the extreme hills biome, and the minimap confirms it, because there's some emerald ore. Okay, by the way, I seriously think it's pointless to dig it just like this, because it will give me one emerald, and I can literally farm infinite emeralds with villagers. I have no idea why people consider it to be so precious. But, oh, there's another one. See? I mean, I'm either extremely lucky or this isn't as rare and as precious as people say. But anyway, the emerald ore is itself, as an ore, extremely valuable as it's rare as an ore again, despite this. And it's worth pretty much. Just check. Emerald is 65,536. I mean 65,000 EMC, which is a lot. It's like 8 diamonds. Okay, one emerald ore is 8 diamonds, while one emerald is 16,000, which is 2 diamonds. Just check this out. See, one diamond is 8,000. So this means that if I come back later with a silk touch pickaxe and get the emerald ore, I can get 8 diamonds for each of these, while I can still farm infinite emeralds thanks to villagers for cheap prices, considering that sometimes they ask for like wheat, paper. I mean, that's not expensive. And yeah, so I'm just going to mark this place B and course. So I even pointed out that they're true. And yeah, I should say this. See, it's very useful. This is thanks to the journey map, just like the minimap in the top right corner. And this is a ravine. I'm not very fond of ravines, but there's a... I think that's a monster box. I mean, it looks like a, you know, a monster spawner, a regular monster spawner, but it's too in the open. It's, you see, I can clearly see it. I don't see any mossy cobblestone or anything around it, so it's very likely a monster box, which is added by Quark, again, another thing. And it basically spawns like a couple monsters, and that's it. And disappears. So I think I'll check it out later. Right now, there are plenty of ores right here, right here. I think I'm going to explore this cave a bit later. Yeah, it's quite a dangerous place, and diamonds. Whoa! Oh no, it's okay. These are the same diamonds I found earlier. Actually, I didn't say anything because yeah, they're diamonds. I mean, it's still special, but I don't know. It didn't feel like something I had to explain. Like, oh guys, these are diamonds. They're very rare. No, I'm not trying to make a tutorial for regular Minecraft. I'm trying to make a tutorial for mods. This specific set of mods. So why would I explain to you what's diamonds? I assume you know that they're valuable. By the way, I'm just going to take up to 5 diamonds. Yay, advancement 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Because this way I can make a pickaxe and the enchanting table. With the enchanting table I'm going to aim for the fortune enchantment. And then I'll come back here to get this one. Yeah. Again, gold isn't that valuable, but iron to me it's way more valuable than gold. Despite the fact that later in the series I will be able to recycle every material. So gold is kinda more valuable than iron, even in this case, because just check this out. I can't write today. Gold is 2048 ENC, while iron I think it's 256. Yep, this means a gold ingot is worth 8 iron ingots. So yeah, I think it's more valuable. But you know, I'm kind of used to the fact that in regular Minecraft, gold isn't that useful. So yeah. Yeah, it's a monster box. And it's not spawning anything? Weird. I thought I was close enough. ARGH. Huh, zombie villager. If I was a bit further in the game, well, if I was a bit, you know, more advanced in this particular game, I would just try to imprison it and put a name tag on it, something like that. It's weird that, you know, I'm close enough. Why doesn't the monster box spawn anything? Okay, I'm fine with this. Oh, come on, does this world only have caves around that bother me? I mean, these places are dangerous. At least at this point. I'm not a fighter. I'm a scientist, okay? Have you seen my skin? I'm a scientist. I'm not a fighter. I'm not here to destroy monsters, explore caves, or whatever. Well, I guess I'm here for that too, but my main goal is to do science. You know, collect resources, create lasers, give myself superpowers, go to the moon, to go to the asteroids, automate stuff. That's my purpose. I'm not here to kill monsters. I can make a machine that automatically does that for me. Yeah, I think let me go back to my branch mining. And I just destroyed my water source block. Oh, not good. Not good. Oh, there's another thing. Can you see this kind of void effect? Like it kind of reminds the effect of the end portal. You know, this thing, these little particles that move around I can see them through the stone. Basically, let me just go check it out. It's now stronger because I'm getting close. This is an extremely powerful fluid. This is the Emag Fluid. It cannot be collected with a regular bucket, as you can see. I couldn't see. I cannot. I'm clicking right click. I'm right clicking like mad, but nothing happens because this kind of fluid is too powerful to be in just a bucket. It is the very beginning to make yourself have superpowers, but this is it's a bit too early to get them actually. So I think I'm going to take these coordinates as well. I'm going to turn the beacon off because you know it's going to bug me because I have already 3 beacons. I'm going to have a lot of them. So let's just go. Yeah, I don't care about this. Options. Now it's waypoints. Off and off. I don't need these for now. So okay, this is much clearer view. Okay, I can resume mining session. And another cave. Oh, yay. I couldn't wait to find another cave. I'm not sure if this cave was added by actual additions or... Oh my god! It seriously got me. I mean, I heard a zombie. I didn't hear a skeleton. Oh, that seriously got me. And there's a creeper staring at me. That's actually kind of funny because it's doing nothing and it's just there saying, "Psst, come here so I can explode." Well, my answer is no. As I was saying, I'm not sure this cave is kind of cave, you know, underground garden was added by Quark or actual additions. I'm going to guess Quark because it adds other kinds of, you know, kind of plants underground. You'll see when you see them when we get there. So yeah, I think it was Quark. Okay, my dear Creeper. Okay, I can actually manage this, but that skeleton just... Okay. If it stays there, I'm fine. Okay, I did it. We got rid of that creeper. As you can see, the Emag behaves kinda in an odd way when it enters in contact with water. So yeah, that's weird. That's it. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5. Okay, I seriously hope there are no more disturbances. As you can see, it feels like the Emag Fluid is just hovering over water, yet it kind of behaves like it was water. And oh, by the way, I can swim in it. It behaves just a lot like water. Oh, okay, we found black crystal cluster. This is from actual addition. They spawn in caves, just like every other color of crystal. They're... yeah, I can use them to make crystals. They're kind of useful, I guess. Not, I mean, I'm not going to use them a lot. It's actually easier to produce them artificially. But it's always nice to find new things underground. And there's another cave. This world is like hollow. There are more caves than... I don't know, than stone itself. It's weird. These are roots. I cannot climb them despite the fact that they look a lot like vines, but it does make sense. Okay, yeah, I don't see particularly useful ores here. I mean, ores. Is it pronounced just like, you know, the animal? Horse? Horse. I mean, these are kind of similar words. Or, you know, it's me who cannot pronounce them. Once again, tell me, am I pronouncing the words, the horse and ores correctly? The two words? As you can see, these these bundles of Emag aren't that rare if you go around a bit in the world, but sometimes you may find it a hard time to find them when you're looking for them. So yeah, it's good to remember where they are, but it's not that important, you know. How many creepers are in the world? I mean, it's not like they are scary. Yeah, they're just annoying because they destroy stuff. Oh, come on, now they're there. I have 4 arrows. Not like I can take them down with those. Oh, by the way, roots have this kind of fruits which you can eat, and they give you an effect like this, which turns you makes you colored. Look at me! I'm blue. I'm Mr. Mystics. Look at me! Oh, yay, can do! If you got the reference, good. If you didn't, oh well, never mind. No, it's not really a problem. Hey, if you got to explode, explode in water. I don't want you. Okay, that was bad. Despite. Okay, I can take you with arrows. If you stay a bit. Oh, I guess I could take them both down with 4 arrows. I thought. You know, I was pretty sure they deal less damage. Oh well. Something is really wrong because basically I registered something like 1 hour of video. Of course I would have cut it to make it shorter for you, but in this hour of video I finished digging. I came up here, I had to fight a few mobs. I almost died and I'm still almost dead. There were a lot of stuff happened. I even expanded my base and created an AFK fishing farm, but for some reason, when I started using this, the recording stopped and I lost the video. So yeah, I lost 1 hour or something like that, 40 minutes, 1 hour of footage, and I'm really sorry because I'm not the kind of guy who, you know, just cuts the video for no reason. At least I got some nice stuff. This is definitely something good. I managed to fill this, my little farm, but I'm going to create a bigger one. So I guess today's episode is likely going to become shorter than what I was hoping for. And the super plot twist in the end, it didn't, which is good, I guess. I don't know, I'll just stop the recording before I start using the AFK fishing farm. And just, yeah, I'll have to skip the parts where I use it, which is okay, it's boring because it's just me doing this. But the moment I stay like this for too long, boom, my video exploded. It disappeared and everything I just said. So yeah, I guess I'm going to stop the registration, the recording or whatever. Then use the AFK fishing farm. Then restart the video, then stop, restart the video and explain you that I used the fishing farm and whatnot. I'm very curious about this. Why would it stop registering? And especially why wouldn't it save what it had registered up until now, until that point? Now I'm going to use the AFK fishing farm for a pretty long time. I aim to complete this fishing rod and maybe fish another fishing rod and so on until I get the best possible one, which is kind of hard, I know, but at least one enchanted fishing rod is my goal. So yeah, see you in a while, and that's it. I guess that's it for the second episode as well, which means outro, yay! So well, I have something, some kind of armor, which is, let's admit it, it sucks. I have enough iron to make a decent armor, but I'm not going to spend it for that. So okay, this is all for the second episode of the Minecraft Simple Space Survival Guide, or survival tutorial. I'm not sure how to call this series yet. And I'll see you in the next episode. The end sequence. This is the end sequence. So yeah, I will write something here next time.